You know what's wild? Right now, there are billions of tiny warriors flowing through your body, and most of us have never actually seen them. So today, I'm going to prick my finger and put my own blood under a microscope to show you what's really happening inside you. All right, here we go. Just a tiny drop is all we need. I'm placing it on this slide and sliding it under the lens. Let me just focus this in and... Whoa! Okay, this is insane. Look at this. These are my red blood cells, just floating around like little inner tubes. There are millions of them in just this one drop, carrying oxygen to every part of my body right now. But wait, see that? That bigger, bumpier cell pushing through? That's a white blood cell, and this is where it gets crazy. Watch what it's doing. It's actually moving on its own, crawling between the red blood cells like it's on patrol. This thing is literally hunting for bacteria and viruses to destroy. It's my immune system in action, and it never stops. Look at this, it's actually grabbing onto something, wrapping around it. This process is called phagocytosis, where the white blood cell just engulfs invaders and destroys them. This is happening inside you right now, 24/7, keeping you alive without you ever thinking about it. Your blood is an entire universe, and it's absolutely beautiful.